Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I just got this in. It's the new UGREEN Nexode 45W dual port charger. This is a GaN fast 45W charger. You get two ports right here. So each one can do 45 watts. And if you use both at the same time, it will share the wattage accordingly. Has a wall prong that flips out easily like that. So it stores nicely, flat on the front, flat on the back, on all sides. It's just easy to travel with, so we'll go ahead and plug this in to the power port right here. We also have the UGREEN T3 high tune earbuds. You can charge those with the USB port right there, and you just plug it into the other one. But today we're going to show charging of the iPhone, so we're going to plug it into that port right there. The 45 watts is great for a MacBook Air and a smartphone like this iPhone. There we go. It's charging right there, and it's plugged in via USB-C. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.